Are you looking for a unique way to mount your action camera or your GoPro? If so, you might want to consider this. It's called the strap, and as you can see, it straps onto my wrist. You can mount it on your arm, your elbow, your leg, anywhere you want. It's a great way to get those action shots. And as you see here, I can get this great kayaking shot just by holding up my arm. No selfie stick required. It's also an easy way to capture those underwater shots. Here's the box that the GoPro Hand and Wrist Strap comes in. Let's just open it up, see what we get inside here. Well, we get the little mounting bracket. That's what the camera attaches to with this GoPro mount. And then there's a slot on each side. And on that slot, you can attach this wrist strap that just goes around your wrist. And then there's also this hand strap that goes in, and these slide under your fingers and your thumbs, and this attaches on the other side. And you also get a little bolt there to bolt your GoPro cam in place, and a little tiny user guide as well. Now this mount is a great way to get that point of view shot. You know, you just put up your hand and you're going to get a shot of what's in front of you. But because this pivots around, it's also a great way to get a selfie. When I'm out riding my bike, I like to record video. Sure, I got the mount on my helmet, I got the mount on my handlebars, but having this GoPro hand mount just opens up the opportunity for way more interesting shots. Nice day for a ride in the woods. And when I'm out for a hike, it's really convenient to have the camera mounted on my wrist. That way, if I see something, just lift up my arm, get the shot, and keep on trekking. And here's an interesting way to get a selfie. You're out in the woods, you've got this wrist strap, but you forgot your tripod. Well, you can just adjust the camera like so, and find a suitable tree and take the strap, just kind of wrap it around, feed it through there, tighten it up, stick the Velcro on, then just position the camera the way you want it, hit the self timer, step in front, and you can get your selfie.